The president of Coalition of Societies for the Rights of Older Persons in Nigeria, COSROPIN, Dr. Eze Ajoku, says older persons need more support from government to live meaningful lives. Ajoku said this at a hangout program organized for the elderly by COSROPIN in Ibadan. He explained that the Rights and Privileges of Older Persons Bill, which received speedy passage by the 9th Assembly but was not assented to, would have created the necessary support for older persons.
And we're hoping that when we represent that bill, that it will receive a speedy passage once again by the Senate, and that this president will not hesitate in signing it. We have continued to dialogue with government to find ways of helping older persons. We are pushing for health insurance for older persons now. We are also pushing for some monthly incentives for older persons to be able to have some money to buy their drugs and their medications. Our organization nationally is working to look after older persons to make sure that they can increase their life and end up well. We want these people to be well and healthy for their families, for their community, and to be able to mentor the younger generation.
In his remarks, the state coordinator of COSROPIN, Mr. Ola Ali, said that since loneliness is one of the major factors that affect elderly persons, the organization opts for hangouts as a solution.
We have discovered over the years that as our people get older in age, they get socially isolated, and their interaction with the others reduces. And medical sciences have shown that loneliness is a great killer. So the whole idea is to have hangouts regularly like this, where you bring in older persons for them to socialize, play games, do exercises, interact amongst themselves. That's the whole essence of the program. That if we have regular programs like this, events like this, it will improve their health, because health is a total thing. It includes your social and medical well-being, psychological well-being. So they are coming together. The whole essence is to improve their health through social interaction.
The founding partner of the organization, Voice Global, commended COSROPIN for the initiative. Its program manager, Ishaya Duta, called for more focus on the needs of elderly persons in the country.
We are here at this elderly hangout event organized by COSROPIN today. We are very proud of the activities that COSROPIN is organizing. We understood today that in Ibadan and Oyo State, this is the 10th state in Nigeria that they are able to organize this program, and considering that elderly persons are often left out of government development policies, we strongly believe in an initiative like the one that is being carried out by COSROPIN, and we wish them all the success for the future.
One of the beneficiaries, who is a retired soldier, Abraham Odali, said that what they had learned will go a long way in their lives.
In fact, I've benefited a lot. And this, what I've learned this morning, shall be perennial, in the sense that it's quite unbeatable, particularly for elderly people, because they do not want us to die early. All that we have learned this morning is a great benefit for all. And I believe, as I benefited from it, so also the earth. The Lord will uphold and sustain every one of you steadfastly, even to the end, in Jesus' name.
The beneficiaries at the events played games, received medical care, talks from representatives of National Health Insurance Scheme, medical practitioners, and danced to exercise their bodies.